One of the quickest and easiest ways to check fillet weld leg length and fillet weld throat dimension against weld specifications is with a fillet weld gauge. These gauges come in a variety of sets with sizes ranging from 1/8 of an inch to 3 inch in both inch and metric sizes. To use these gauges, verify the fillet weld leg length as noted in the specifications and use the fillet weld gauge of the same size. In this case, the specifications call for a 1/2 inch fillet weld. Using this end of the 1/2 inch fillet weld gauge, we can check the fillet weld leg length. The scribed lines on the gauge give a visual reference for the horizontal leg. Turn the gauge over and you can easily verify the fillet weld throat dimension. Again, the scribed lines on the gauge give a visual reference for the fillet weld leg length. These gauges are available in 7-piece, 8-piece, and 12-piece sets. Additionally, a 7-piece set is included in our briefcase-type large tool kit.